Octagon sent me this box. This is newborn caulk gun. So you guys have probably seen these folks around. Let's open it up together. I got the smallest knife that I own. Let's see what they sent here. All right, so nice little letter here. So, we're actually going to start with this. Oh, look at this nail gun. This is their 930 GT caulk gun. Drip weight, come on. Oh yeah, look. So it comes with the plunger, of course. It comes with this tool that's used to smooth out the caulk, connected to the caulk gun. It also comes with this one as well. This is also used to do different radiuses, basically, connected right to the caulk gun. I really like that. You got your spout cutter right here. You can open this up. This tells us right here inside. These guys I noticed do that. So they say this gun is for latex and silicone, not for adhesive, not for urethane. So basically, the reason why they have different ones is because this push sometimes isn't strong enough, or maybe it's not designed for different, types of adhesive and things like that. So this one is specifically for latex and silicone. Now, could you use it for adhesive? Yes, you could. Okay. So yeah, pretty nice, drip-free, rubber handle. Oh, and it even has this in here in the handle to plug the caulk gun. I'm sorry, the caulk. All right, so let's check out the silicone. So this is their universal silicone, white. It has this, oh, that's nice. These replaceable tips, all surfaces, universal, next gen, kitchen, bath, windows, and side. Oh my gosh, everything. So pretty neat, pretty neat. Then I'm not sure what this is. Ooh, look at this. This is the 8-piece caulk toolkit. So this is all, oh, this is nice. This is all within a kit. 8-piece tool kit. Really nice. And didn't know this was coming. This is actually used to remove caulk. So check that out. So you use this to get in the corner to pull the caulk out. Also, there's a scraper on here. And then you have this to flatten the caulk out. So really nice kit here. Then again, they give you a plug for your caulk. So really nice kit. I really appreciate it. And as always, I got my little sticker, and I have my other little, say hello to my little friend guy over here that's covering up a dent on my cabinet. Thank you guys. Thanks to Octagon. Thank you from Newborn. I really appreciate it. Your stuff is awesome. And I'm very excited for this thing. Neat. Thank you. I'm out.